Good morning, everybody. I am excited for Walgreens today. I have a list, like my list is full of deals for you guys. So I'm definitely excited to share with you. It is currently 20 degrees outside, and considered in Wisconsin, that is a heat wave, kind of. But anyways, we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you guys some deals. I will not be doing every deal that I show you, but then I will show you my haul, and if I have any problems, questions, concerns, all that stuff, I will let you guys know at the end of the video. But let's go shopping. Make sure you guys are checking out your clearance. My store has this Olay for $3.79. They got bars of soap for 69 cents. But there is a Dial hand wash right here on clearance for $1.79. We do have a $1 off a 2 insert coupon that you guys can use. You end up just paying $2.58. That comes out to be $1.29 each if you need to get some soap. Here we have the L'Oreal Elvive on sale for 2 for $8. We do have a digital coupon for 4 off of 2. Otherwise, there is a coupon for 4 off of 2, and then there is a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for 2 off of 2. So you end up just getting the bottles for $2 or $1 each. We have the Garnier Fructis 2 for $7, and we have a 4 off of 2 insert coupon. There's also a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So you end up getting both bottles for $3 or $1.50 each. Here's another clearance item. We got the Burt's Bees, either $2.39 or $2.29, but we do have a $2 off insert coupon from the P&G from last week. So you guys can either get the fluoride for 39 cents or the fluoride free for $2.29 or 29 cents. Just make sure you price check your store and see if they have it at your store. We have the Oral-B toothbrushes for $3 on sale, and then we also have the Crest toothpaste on sale. There's an ad in the ad that says there's a certain coupon, which I've noticed that they give you that deal and it's only like for the whole entire month, so it depends on when you use it during that month. But we do have a $1 off digital coupon for the toothbrushes, and then we also can use I didn't have any digitals for the toothpaste, so I'm using 2 insert coupons from the P&G. You end up paying $6, but then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them, and there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, so you end up getting $6 back, making all 3 items free. So here's a deal for Colgate toothpaste. It is on sale for $3.99. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys can end up using. You end up just paying $6.97, but then you get that $5 register reward, making it $1.97 or 65 cents. So not the greatest deal, but in case you need some toothpaste, it's an okay deal. Another Colgate deal is the Colgate toothpaste that is $2.99. You can use 2 $1 off coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You'll end up just paying, sorry, I lost my spot. You end up just paying $4.98, but then you get that $5 register reward when you purchase 2, makes them both free. Here we have the Renewzits on sale for 89 cents. We do have a buy 4 get 2 free coupon. There's also a coupon, I think, that takes $1.78 off with a digital coupon. You'll get 6 of them for $3.56.
Welcome
they
to Walgreens.
Come out to be just 59 cents each. Here we have the Lysol spray on sale for $4.99. There is a 75-cent off coupon. It does say disinfectant spray. This does disinfect. And when you scan it in the Ibotta app, it does say that too. So you're going to end up just paying $4.24. But then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making your final total just $3.74. The small bottles of the Palmolive dish soap is on sale for 99 cents. We do have a 50-cent off digital coupon that you would use. You just get it for 49 cents. Here we have the Dawn Power Wash. It is on sale for $4.99, and we do have a $1 off insert coupon from the P&G if you guys like to get it. It's $3.99. I am going to say this is a game changer. It is now basically my favorite cleaning product I have in my house. Here we have the Tide Simply for $4 or 4 for $8. That comes out to be just $2 each. Also with the pods, and then one of the bounces, which I'm assuming it's going to be this one. And my store doesn't have anything else marked, but for $2, that's a decent deal. And then we also have the Ajax on sale, or its regular price for $2.69. It is buy one, get one free. So you just basically get them for $2.69. These used to be $1 not that long ago. Make sure you guys are checking your toy section. I've noticed that a lot of the toys are now 50% off. So you definitely want to check. If you're not sure on certain items, have your store just price check them. But they do have some that are $19.99 marked down to $9.99. So the toy markdown will be coming soon, so just keep an eye out for everything. Here we have the Aspercreme for $8.49. It is buy one get one 50% off. You're gonna end up using that. We have a $2 off insert coupon that you want, or $2 off digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $10.73, but then you get $3 back times 2, so you'll get $6 back with Ibotta, and you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 2. Comes out to be a 27-cent moneymaker. Here we have the Alleviate for $8.99. You want to use 2 of the $4 off coupons. You'll end up just paying $9.98, but then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. Makes it $4.98 or $2.49 each. Here's another awesome deal. We have the Icy Hot. It says right here it's $9.49. But if you look in the app, it does say it's $5.99.
Welcome to Walgreens.
Welcome to Walgreens. So you want to have them price match your store to $5.99.
Customer service needed in the photo
Now we
department.
need help in the photo department. Then you'll end up paying $8.98. But then when you purchase 2 of them, of the wellness products, you get a $5 register reward. And you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, so you'll get $4 back with Ibotta, making both products just free. Okay, so here is a deal. It says buy 2 at $4.29 each, you get 1 free. But then right here it says 2 for $6. I am not sure what one you get, but we're just gonna say you get it for 2 for $6. There is a coupon for $2 off of 3. You'll get your 3rd one for free. So you end up paying just $4 for 5 packs of soda. Here we have the Velveeta shells and cheese and the macaroni deluxe, 2 for $6. You guys will pay $6, but there's 75-cent rebates with Ibotta, so you'll end up getting $1.50 back, making it just $4.50 or $2.25 each. The Quaker cereal, the Post cereal, these show that they're $1.99, and these are showing that they're $2.49, $1.99. Looks like the Kellogg cereal is buy one at $4.99, get 1 free. We also have the Coinout and the Angel Soft. I have 2 50-cent off coupons for that one, and 1 50-cent off coupon for that one. You'll end up just paying $13.47, but then you'll end up getting a $3 register reward, making it $10.47 or $3.49 each if you need this toilet paper. Okay, you guys, so I looked over here by the Valentine's Day stuff. These are $9.99 at buy one get one 50% off. Look how cute this mermaid mug is. Like, it is adorable. I see they have Minnie Mouse. They also have Cinderella, and then they got the Beauty and the Beast snow globes. They got an Up snow globe. I see Little Mermaid and Minnie Mouse, and then we also have Cinderella, and then there is these little trinkets that light up or something. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, it's not. Ooh, look at that. So we have, it looks like Ariel, Minnie Mouse, and Cinderella. That is pretty, so definitely check those out. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys my Walgreens haul. There was a ton of deals, which was awesome. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got, and it came out to be a moneymaker. I am pretty excited with everything that I got. So I thought I needed 5 rebates to get the Weekend Warrior. I can't count, I needed 6. So I just need 1 more rebate to hit my Weekend Warrior bonus. So I'm gonna get an item at CVS so I can get my $3 bonus. But let's just dig in and I can share with you guys some crazy awesome deals. So I ended up getting the Burt's Bees toothpaste. This was on clearance for $2.39. I used a $2 off insert coupon from the P&G. You guys can use this. You'll just get this for 39 cents. There was another one for 29 cents, but I got the one with the fluoride. So definitely a hot deal if you guys can do that. I also did the Palmolive deal, and I realized that my digital coupon did not come off for this. So anyways, I got the Palmolive. This is on sale for 99 cents. You want to use a 50-cent off digital coupon. you'll just get this for 49 cents. Great deal. I ended up getting the Velveeta shells and cheese, and I also got the Kraft Deluxe. These were 2 for $6. There is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta and a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. So you guys will get these for $4.50 or $2.25 if you want to go ahead and do that deal. Okay, so here is an easy freebie, moneymaker freebie. I didn't do my math on this, seriously. So these were $5.99 on the app. They were $9.49 online, so I had them price match it. So there's no coupon that I could find, so you'd end up paying $8.98 for this. But you get $2 back with Ibotta times 2, so you guys will get $4 back with Ibotta. And then you also will get a $5 off your next health and wellness products register reward. So basically, I wonder if you could just keep rolling this deal. If not, I'm going to definitely use that extra care. I'll definitely buy these deals again, use this, and if I don't get a register reward that prints out, it's okay, because I'm just saying. But you get the $5 register reward, making this absolutely for free. You guys will get these both for free. Now we have the Asper cream. The Asper cream was $8.49 at buy one get one 50% off. I do want to make sure it did show that, the Asper cream. Yeah, $8.49 buy one get one 50% off. I did have a $2 off a 2 Catalina print off, and she's like, oh, would you like to use this? I says, no, I'll use the digital, because there was a $2 off digital coupon. The digital did not come off. So I wish I used this, but this printed off before I even hit total. It pretty much printed like right when she started scanning the product. So keep an eye out for that. But you will pay $10.73, but with Ibotta you get $3 and another $3 rebate with Ibotta. And then you also get an additional $5. I did both of these deals in 2 separate transactions, but you'll get that $5 register reward, making this, where did I write that down? A 27-cent moneymaker. You get these for free also. So that's a great deal. I really wish we had bigger coupons for that. So I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7, 2 for $7. You want to use that 4 off a 2 insert coupon that we have. You just get these for $3 or $1.50. Not the greatest deal, but I did the deal. But if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Then we also got the L'Oreal Elvive. They had the curl one last week, and I really wanted to get the curls, but I didn't. And then they didn't have the curls this week, but I love this shampoo. This is 2 for $8. You want to use a 4 off of 2 insert coupon that we got today, or there is a digital, and I think there might be a printable. Then there is a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys will just get these for $2, $1 each. Yes, yes. Okay, so I did the Crest deal. My digital coupon worked for this. So I ended up using 2 $1 off insert coupons, and I used a $1 off digital coupon for this. These were $3. You end up using 1 of each coupon, so you'll pay $6. But with Ibotta, you get a $1 rebate for each one you buy. So if you guys buy 3 of these, if you have any coupons for it, that's a better deal. But what happens is, here you get, these are $6, okay? You get a $1 rebate with Ibotta for this, and then you get a $5 register reward, which did not print. She gave me the points for it. So it ends up becoming free. Now, if you guys don't have the paper coupons, you can still do this deal. So you'll end up just still paying $8 with that $1 off coupon. You submit $3 for the Oral-B on Ibotta, and then you still get that $5 register reward. So it still comes out to be free. So if you guys have any other coupons to work with it, better go ahead and do that. So yes. Then the last deal I got is the Colgate toothpaste. These were $2.99. These were $2.99. Yeah, I used 2 $1 off insert coupons that we had. You'd pay $3. Why did I write? I totally did this wrong. You'd pay $3.98, but then you get a $5 register reward, which I did get. Where did it go? A $5 register reward? Yes. So it ends up becoming like $1.02 Moneymaker, so you can go ahead and do that. We do have 50% off coupons that we got in today's insert, so if you buy 2 of those come out to be free also. So you definitely want to check that out. I was gonna do the Nivea deal again, but my store was completely out. They took all the signs down because they're resetting the planogram area. So I wanted to do that. That's the whole deal, whole thing, all month long. So make sure you guys can check out that deal if you haven't already. But other than that, there were some really good deals. I really was excited to do some of this stuff. I was gonna do the dial and the right guard. I was gonna use 1 paper coupon, 1 digital coupon for each of the right and the dial, and I think you had to buy 5 items, so you'd pick another 5th item, and then you'd get a $5 register reward when you bought $20 or more, but I did not do that deal. So my total came to $34.93. I didn't even pay anything like that. I did pay with register rewards that I got from last week, but I take that out of my total. So $34.93. I ended up receiving $10.35 with points. I know one of them was a spend so much, get that, and then I don't remember what the other one was. And then for the register rewards, I technically got $20 worth of register rewards, and I'm going to try to do that health deal again later this week because I think that's a great deal. And then with Ibotta, I received $12.50. I was really hoping to get the Weekend Warrior, but I can't do math apparently whatsoever. But I'm still happy with what I got, a $7.92 Moneymaker. I am pretty excited for that. So that was my haul. It wasn't a lot of items, but I am pretty happy with everything that I got. A Moneymaker, a lot of freebies, some great stuff to use. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys haven't already. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.